Hello children, Uma here. Today we are going to see about Science Chapter 3 Animals Part 2. Learning objective: to know about herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. Herbivores. Animals that eat only plants are called herbivores. They have sharp and flat teeth to chew grass and plants. They also have sharp biting teeth and strong grinding teeth. Some herbivores also have special body features to help them to get their food. For example, long neck of giraffe helps it to reach tall trees and an elephant's trunk helps it to pull out the leaves and branches of a tree. Examples of herbivores: deer, goat, cow, rabbit and elephants. Carnivores. Animals that eat only other animals are called carnivores. They have well-developed teeth for tearing flesh. They are generally large in size to easily overpower their prey. Some of them are run very fast to chase their prey. Examples of carnivores are frog, snake, leopard, lion, and fox. Next is about omnivores. Animals that eat both plants and animals are called omnivores. They usually have sharp teeth in the front for biting and flat teeth in the back for chewing. Human beings also omnivores as they eat meat, eggs, fruits and vegetables. Examples of omnivores: cat, hen, crow, squirrel and bear. Here, few questions are given. So read these questions carefully and write your answers in an A4 sheet or in a separate notebook. Question number 1. Why do herbivores have sharp and flat teeth? Number 2. Define carnivore. Number 3. Give any two examples for herbivores. Number 4. Which animal runs very fast to catch its prey? And number 5. Define omnivore. Thank you, children.